Hello, this is Robert from Cardano Math. Well, the purpose of this video today is I want to show you how to use APIs in order to upload your whole NFT collection to NFT-maker Pro. Okay, so obviously if you only have about 3 or 4 or 5, maybe 10 NFTs, then you can do it by hand. It's very easy. But if you have over 1,000, then of course you're going to want to use some program in order to upload your NFT collection. Okay, so I have zero experience programming. I have no background in programming. I'm a mathematician, and it's taken me a couple weeks to really go through all the documentation, lots of YouTube videos to understand really how this works. And I finally got a functioning program. So I hope that this video works for you to be able to do this a lot faster, a lot easier than it was for me. So as a thank you, if you want, you can like this video. You can follow us on Twitter, Cardano Math in Twitter. We're a new project just starting out, and we're interested in promoting mathematics, math education through NFTs minted on the Cardano blockchain. So that would be a great help for us. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to have an account on NFT-maker Pro. Okay, so it's very easy. You go to, I think it's pro.nftmaker.io. You make an account there. And then you come to the project page, and you're going to want to create a new project. Okay, this is our project here. We have a couple NFTs there, but we're just experimenting. We haven't done our major upload yet. Okay, so for this project, so here's our project, Cardano Math. We only have a couple NFTs there. Just because we haven't done our major upload yet. We've been playing around with this. Okay, so for this video, we're going to create a new project. Okay, so let's go to create project. The project name, let's just call it test for now. You can fill in all this later. Your project URL, the description, etc. Okay, let's go to next. We're going to create a new policy. The metadata. And summary, I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Okay, so we have a new project we call test. Okay, so as you can see, we have 0 NFTs here right now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do after you create this project is go to manage API keys. Okay, so here I have a bunch that I was working with already. We're going to go to create new API key. Let's just call it test again. And so here you can choose what you want your API key to be used for, to get a payment address for a random NFT, for a specific NFT. We're going to be interested today in uploading an NFT. Okay, so I'm going to create that API key and copy to clipboard, which says it was denied, so I'm just going to copy it by hand. Okay, so once you copy it, then you can just, we can leave it there for a second. The next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make a Python program. Okay, I'm doing it in Python just because I'm using that for my website, and it's fairly simple. So if you don't have Python, you're going to want to install Python. It's not too hard. And so I have this. I'm using Visual Studio Code for Python, and so here I already have the program made, and I'm going to explain piece by piece what everything means. Okay, so NFT test.py, that's what I called it. Let's go, let me show you where it is. I have it just in a folder I called test. Here I have my Python program. And in the same folder, I have templates, which is where I have my HTML for the website. Okay, and images, this doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be here. I just added it just so I can show you what images I want to upload now with this program. So here I have these trial images. Let's look at one here. Trial image 1. It's not very interesting. I'm not going to sell these. If someone wants to buy them, just let me know and I can arrange something. But this is just for this video. Okay, so but this is the important part. NFT test. This is the program, and this is where the template where you have your HTML for the website. Okay. Okay. So let's look at this program first. So first of all, I'm doing this with Flask. Okay, so Flask enables you to use Python on a website. Okay, so I'm importing Flask using this preamble here. Render template is to be able to use HTML. Okay, import requests, that's to use the APIs from NFT-maker. Okay, so then here, API key and project ID. So the API key, I'm going to paste here the API key that I just copied from the website. And for project ID, then we're going to want to go, so I'm going to press cancel here. I'm going to go over here to NFT projects, and I'm going to copy this and paste it where it says project ID. Okay, so these are two variables just to not write as much down below. It makes it a lot neater. So this is my API key, my project ID. Okay, next comes the app that basically executes. It shows me the main web page, the main website. Okay, so this is the function. As soon as I plug in this program to my server, then it's going to execute this home function, which is going to return render template and this HTML page, which I already have saved in the template folder, which is in the same folder with my program. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, next, this is the actual program that's going to be doing the uploading. Okay, so we have this app route /upload. Okay, so when we go to our main website, if we put /upload, then it's going to execute this program here. Okay, so I'm putting methods get and post. Get is if you want to, for example, receive a Cardano, an ADA address in order to make a payment. But what we're going to be using right now is post. Okay, so post is when you actually want to send something to the website. So we're going to be sending the information about our NFTs to NFT-maker. Okay, now we're going to define the function. So remember, as soon as we put our website name /upload, then it's going to execute what's here. Okay, so the program, I'm just going to call it upload NFTs. And as you can see, I have in images, I have trial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do a for right here. So it's going to iterate. So it's going to start with I equals 1, then I equals 2, I equals 3, and it's going to do whatever is in here for each I. Okay. So I put 6 here because it goes up to this -1. So it's going to be 1 through 5. Okay. So for each I, I'm going to define this message, which is going to have this information. I got this off the NFT-maker website. So the asset name, this is the name of your ith NFT. So I'm going to call this trial plus I. So this is going to be, for example, for I equals 1, this is going to be trial 1. Okay, you have to put string there to make it a string so that it joins these two together. Okay, so the asset name is going to be trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5. Okay, then the NFT, here's the type. It's going to be image, JPEG. Apparently PNG doesn't work. It has to be JPEG, or I think there may be a couple other file formats that are supported. Then I decided to upload these to send these from my website, okay, which is cardanomath.com. And so I uploaded these same images. Let me show you real quick. If we go to right here, I uploaded these to my website, trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5. Okay, so for example, if we go to cardanomath.com/images/trial/trial 1, we get trial 1. Okay, and so that way, these are publicly available, and so NFT-maker can access these. Okay, so I'm going to do this file from URL, and it's going to access here the website. And notice I put the name here, and then I add the string with I, which is 1 through 5, and then I add JPEG at the end. Okay, so for I equals 1, this is going to access the URL for trial1.jpg. Okay, then you can add a description for your NFT if you want. This is my NFT called trial I. Okay, you can add whatever description you want. Display name, I just left the string. And here's the metadata. I haven't really played around with this, but you can add your own metadata here, so you don't have to afterwards do this manually. Okay, so this is the information you're going to be sending to NFT-maker. So this is very important. It has the name, the metadata, and it has the place where NFT-maker can actually find your image. Okay, then right here, we're going to request to send this, to post it. We're going to send it to this website. Okay, so you have to copy and paste this, https://api.nftmaker.io/upload/nft/. Then you're going to need here your API key. Okay, then you're going to add a slash, then the project ID. And what message are we going to be sending? We're going to be sending the message right here. Okay. And then I have right here, as soon as this for is over, as soon as we get to I = 5 and we do all this, then I just want the website to show done. Okay. Great. So let me show you the website I actually have here at test.html. I have something very simple here. Okay, so I just have API test as the title, and I'm going to have upload NFTs, and as a link I'm putting the server /upload. Remember, if you put /upload, then if I click on here, then it's going to execute that program. Okay, so very important, you have to save this or else it's not going to work. Okay, and now we're going to go to the terminal. We're going to execute this program. So I have it all set up here. I'm running from the folder where my program is. So I'm going to put Python 3, that's the version I have, and I'm going to put here nft test.py. Okay, so I press enter, and this is going to give me here the server address. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm just going to, and if you notice, it's a very, very simple website. And so supposedly if I press here, then it's going to send all that information to NFT-maker, and it'll upload the 5 JPEGs. Okay, so let's do that. Press there, and it takes a second. Let's see what happens. And it says done. Okay, so it executed the program. Now let's see what happened. Okay, so let's go to NFT-maker. Let's refresh here. And look at that. Now NFT count, there are 5 NFTs here in my test project. Okay, so let's take a look. Manage NFTs, and here are the 5 images. And so notice here I set the name trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5, and you can look at the details, but it's all there. So of course you can, if you have a bunch more, you can just change this however you want. Of course, 5 is very easy to do by hand, but if you have 1,000, you can put 1,001 there. And it's a very simple way just to get all this done automatically. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please DM me on Twitter or leave a comment on YouTube, and I'll be happy to help if I can. I'm kind of a noob to this too, so I'll do my best. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.